still climbs, the sky still turns, but nothing shines the way he burned. He walked through life with open hands. Now silence spreads